Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Begin with opening device's settings and scrolling down. Now look for privacy section and click on it. Then select permission manager and tap on one of your device's features like location. Then pick one of your apps like maps and tap on one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow all the time, so when I go back, as you can see, maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always pick any feature and any app and click on see all camera permissions instead. Then manage all of them. Oh, okay, something's wrong. We'll try the other app. Maybe this one. Okay, then you can manage all of those permissions only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!